Hi everyone, welcome back to Undesign Craft channel. Today I'm going to crochet some mini accessories for this little bear and panda. A bamboo, a love shape and an apple. These tiny accessories are super easy to make. You can also use them for other mini crochet plushies to decorate and customize them in your own style. They're perfect for using up leftover yarn and adding extra cuteness to your crochet projects. Before we start, let me show you the tools and materials you'll need. You will need 4-ply cotton yarn in your favorite colors to crochet this little accessory. You also need a 2.5mm crochet hook, or any hook that match with your yarn size, a yarn needle for sewing, a pair of scissors, a stuffing tool and some polyester fiber for stuffing, and a stitch marker if you need one. When everything is ready, let's start crocheting from the apple. Pick your favorite's yarn color, then make a knot in a magic ring. Then work 4 single crochet into the ring. When you finish, pull the yarn tail tightly to close the ring. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. For round 1, start with a chain. The first stitch will go into the same stitch where you made the slip stitch. Work an increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochet in every stitch. I always use the yarn under technique to keep the stitches straight, but you can also use the yarn over technique in this pattern if you prefer. By end of this round, you will have 8 stitches. When you finish, make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. For round 2, start with a chain. Then work 1 single crochet and follow by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 4 times. You will have a total 12 stitches by end of this round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end this round. For round 3, start with a chain, then work 1 increase, and follow by 2 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 4 times. You will have a total 16 stitches by end of this round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end this round. For round 4 to round 6, start each round with a chain, then work one single crochet in every stitch around. You will still have a total of 16 stitches at the end of each round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end each round. For round 7, start with a chain, then work invisible decreases all around. To work this, insert the hook into the front loop of the next 2 stitches, yarn under and pull through both front loops, then yarn under again and pull through all loops from the hook. You will have a total of 8 stitches at the end of the round. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. Then cut the yarn and pull it through, leaving enough yarn to close the hole. Before closing, remember to fill it with polyester fiber stuffing. Finally, use a needle to weave through all the front loops and pull tight to close the hole neatly. And now the apple body is done. Next, we crochet the leaf. Make a knot in the magic ring. Then work 2 single crochet into it. Next, work 2 chains. Skip the first chain from the hook, then make a slip stitch into the back bump of the second chain from the hook. After that, work 2 more single crochet into the ring. Once done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish. Cut the yarn and leave enough yarn for sewing later. Sew the leaf on top of the apple. And now your mini apple is done. Next, we will crochet the heart. Pick your favorite color, then make a knot in the magic ring. Start with 2 chains, then work 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet for the tip of the heart. Next, work 2 half double crochet, two double crochet, then 2 chains. Make a slip stitch into the ring to finish. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then cut the yarn and leave enough yarn for sewing later. Here the heart is done. Next, we will crochet the bamboo. Pick your green yarn, then make a knot in the magic ring. Work 6 single crochet into the ring. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Then make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end the round. Round 1. Work this round in the back loops only. Start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. Round 2 to round 6. Start each round with a chain, then work 1 single crochet in every stitch around. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to end each round. Once finished, cut the yarn and leave enough yarn tail for sewing. Fill in a little polyester fiber stuffing. Then weave through all the back loops and pull tight to close the hole neatly. After that, use dark green yarn to wrap around the middle and secure it. And now the bamboo is done. And that's all for today's mini accessories tutorial. I hope you enjoyed crocheting these tiny cute accessories with me. You can mix and match different colors and use them for other mini crochet plushies too. See you in the next video.